Hey y'all, I'm Hillbilly. Welcome back to Let's Play Wild Horse Rescue. Last time, we found this little island in the middle of a turtle pond. The turtles don't seem to come onto the island. Whoa. Oh, are these two being difficult? Okay. Well, only a little bit. We did find our first present on this trail. Been a lot of narrow canyons on it.
Giddy up!
Another abandoned boat. Oh, there's a way to go this way. This isn't the way to go, is it? Oh, it looks like maybe it is. Let's go see what was back there before we move on. Well, this kind of looks like the way to go too. Double carrots. Well, both ways look like the way to go. Oh, it wraps around. Okay, got it. Both ways are the way to go. So, because we saw that from when we peeked around over here. Oh, well. There may be something up there, though.
Let's go!
So, over here's where we peeked around. Something up in here. There is not. Once again, we can go down the outside. There's a coin over the top. I can see we can go around the rock down there, but let's grab that coin right quick. Oh, we can't walk around this. It was an illusion. See a safe point up there. Oh, there's something around here though, because there's apple coins. Way going around. Yeah, another little secret.
Secret beach.
Oh, can't we smell here? Can I hear? Yeah. Yes. Present number 2. And secret beach number 2 in this trail. Okay, there's a key gate. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Here's the safe point we saw. So either the folder or the key are up here. It's around here. Well, here's the key. Excuse me, Mr. Turtle. So I'm going to guess that the foal's on the other side of the gate since we found the key right there. Yeah, I see it up there. Anything besides you in here, foal? Looks like it's just you.
There you go, girl. Let's walk the fold to a safe point.
The camera's bonking into the cliff face there.
Teresa, Barbie here. I found another foal. Can you send someone for her?
Okay. Hello there, Flash. Okay, I think we looked over out there pretty good. We found the secret beach with the present. More turtles.
What a beautiful grotto.
Well, it looks like there's 3 ways to go. I'm gonna grab this coin while that turtle's got his back turned. Okay, we've got a box. Coins. Nothing else in this one. One across the way. Oh. At least, yeah, these turtles are just doing a pattern instead of coming after us, so they're fairly to just avoid. And what's on this side? Another box. Could this be our last present? Well, it could be some coins. We're after those too. So, can get the camera to flop right there. Keep it to swing back. So this must be the way to move on. It's not that hard to know when to duck. You can only do it when you're supposed to, I found out earlier.
Let's go.
Yeah, I caught the side of those coins right around the edge there. Okay, there's yet another safe point.
This foal is scared of all the seagulls. We'll have to clear this beach to rescue her.
Okay, we've done this before.
Giddy up! That's it. All the seagulls have flown away.
Okay, now where was the fall? It showed us a cut seed of it, but I didn't see it running around. It's not up here, is it? No, I see a coin in the grass over there, I think. It's not just a flower. Okay, where did the foal go? Or where was it to begin with? Must be clear across the beach, because we had to scare seagulls all the way up through here. There he is. I think. Graphics are a little washed out in the distance. Yeah, that's it.
There you go, girl. Let's walk the fold to a safe point.
It doesn't look like we can go out into there. There's a seal up there. Wow, this one's a long way from its safe point, even though it's pretty much a straight line. It looks like there are side areas. There's one where we left the horse. It looks like there may be one right there. And that place up there where the seal is probably the way to go.
Hi, Christy. I've just rescued a foal. Can you come pick it up? It's at a safe point.
Okay. Let's go up here where I thought I saw something in the grass. Is that where we came out? Yeah, that's where we came out, isn't it? I just saw flowers in the grass, but they're... Wait, is that the horse? Or another foal? Oh, must be another foal. I see seals. Yeah. Oh, there's the foal. There's an apple. I think we have enough on us.
There you go, girl. Let's walk the fold to a safe point.
We'll come around behind the seals. Whoa, that's too close. It's busy, but that's still too close. Oh, I lost the foal.
Don't be afraid.
Can we get around? If we go... Oh, now I can't get past the foal. There we go. Can we get... Yeah, we can go on this side, maybe. Tell me it can get past the tree. There we go.
Hey, Christy. I found the last missing foal on this trail.
Okay, there's all our foals. I didn't see anything else in here. Just some food to pick up. Oh wait, was there something back this way? Oh, just the foal was back here. Oh, there is something back this way. Is there or is this? Oh, there's the horse. Who are we racing this time? Can't tell from here. Okay, so we know where the horse is. We got the last foal, but there's more areas out there to explore. So okay, we know where to come for the horse. That's good. It's going to be a race. It always is on the center trail, it looks like. But there's this area across here. Okay, it looks like this is just yeah, this isn't anything right here. Okay, so that means this up here where the seal is was not the way to go. Oh, there was this back here. Did we go in here? I done forgot. I don't think we did. Wait, is this where we came from? Oh, this is where we came from. Okay, I'm confused now, y'all. What else is new? Okay, so that means this little gap up here is something we haven't been in. If this is not where we came out. Oh, here's the clock challenge. Okay. But we're getting close to the end of the video, so it looks like that's something for another time. So, thanks for watching, and y'all come back.